Hello and welcome back to my cave. Today we are going to be working on issue 5 of the Eleanor from Ghana 60 Seconds. Here we have kit number 15. So if this is a deja vu, it's actually the other door. Right door. First we take the mirror, this plug, and the mirror sticker. That goes like so, and that goes on the door like so with a DS06 screw like so, and then we take the door handle and that goes on like so with a PSO4 screw like so, and that is kit number 15 complete. And then we have kit number 16, which is the window and hinges, and that goes on the door just like so with three DS06 screws like so. Then we need the hinge that just slips on like so, and the plate goes on top with a DS02 screw like so, and that is kit number 16 complete. And here we have kit number 17. First we put the door handle in here with a PSO8 screw like so, and that goes into the door card like so, and that is held with 4 screws, PSO4 screws. And I'm gonna hold it down temporarily with a piece of tape like so, and that is kit number 17 complete. And finally we have kit number 18, and first we put the doorknob and the window lever winder like so, and I am like so, and I am gonna tape it down and put a PSO4 screw from the back. Remove the tape and like so. Then we take the lower kit panel and use 2 PSO5 screws like so, and then that goes on the door, and like so, with 2 DSO2 screws. And the final step is to take this panel like so, and push it in, and that is kit number 18 complete. And that is issue number 5 complete.